Hello, respected viewers. How are you? I hope you are all good. Welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern folding roof windows ideas to decorate your home with best living standard styles. Folding roofs windows offer a range of inspiring benefits that can elevate your living space and enhance your lifestyle. Abundance of natural lights. Folding roof windows allows ample natural lights to float into your interior, creating a bright and inviting ambience. Expansive view. With large glass panel, these windows provide panoramic view of the surrounding landscapes, bringing the outdoor closer. Ventilations. Folding roof windows can be easily opened to promote better air circulation, improving indoor air quality and providing fresh breezes. Versatile design. The folding mechanism allows to various configuration, enabling to control the amount of light and ventilation as per your preferences. Space optimization. When fully opened, folding roof windows create an open air feel, making your living space appear larger and more spacious. Energy efficiency. High quality materials and sealing ensure proper installation, reduce energy consumption, and keeping your home comfortable year round. Modern aesthetics. Their sleek and contemporary design adds a touch of sophistication to any room, elevating the overall look and feel of your home. Functional roof extension. When closed, folding roof windows act as a beautiful skylights, creating a unique architectural features. Integration with smart home technologies. Some models come with motorized features and remote controls, making operations effortless and convenient. Roof terrace access. Folding roof windows can lead to a rooftop terrace, transforming your living space into an outdoor hub for relaxation and entertainment. Improved home value. The addition of folding roof windows can increase the resale value of your property, making it an attractive investment. Privacy control. Many folding roof windows come with built-in builds or shades, allowing you to adjust privacy level as needed. Connection to nature. Embrace a stronger connection with the nature world by enjoying the changing sky, weather, and stairs from the comfort of your home. Eco-friendly living. Utilizing natural lights and ventilation can reduce reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning, promoting eco-friendly living. Enhanced well-being. Exposure to natural lights has been linked to improved moods, productivity, and overall well-being, making your living space a happier place. Investing in folding roof windows can transform your living space into a bright, airy, and functional environment, elevating your everyday living experience. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.